What's up, guys? Let us solve this problem. The rate of diffusion of a sample of ozonized oxygen is 0.98 times than that of pure oxygen. This is pure oxygen, right? So find the percentage by volume of ozone in the ozonized sample. So percentage by volume, not by weight. Okay. So moving on to solution. So we can say that let the rate of diffusion of ozonized oxygen be either Rg or can be Rm or whatever, and let the rate of diffusion of pure oxygen is RO2. So what is given, that ratio of the rate is 0.98, right? So this oxygen, ये जो ozonized oxygen से भी O2 रहेगा, right? But sorry, sample of this contains of O3, right? This is the formula of ozonized oxygen, which is nothing but ozone. This is ozone, right? So rate of this is given as 0.98. Rate is inversely proportional to the molecular weight, right, ka root. So R1 by R2 is nothing but M2 among the root. So you can see this rate of ozone upon rate of pure oxygen is nothing but ratio of weight of oxygen upon weight of ozone ka root. So you should know what is the weight of this mixture. So squaring both the sides, we get 0.98 ka square or 0.98 ka square is 32 by mg, and mg we get as 33.32. Now this is not this Rg is not complete pure form of ozone, right? This contains some amount of ozone and oxygen, and we need to find the percentage of ozone by volume. Okay, that's why they can Rg rated, or they would have simply done RO3, right? लोग ये भी तो कर सकते थे. So मैंने O3 बताया, this O3 is ozone, but this thing जो Rg है, it consists of both O3 and O2. It's ozonized oxygen. इसका मतलब this oxygen in which some amount, can say impure oxygen, there's some amount of oxygen that the mixture has this ozone layer, ozone thing, right? So we need to find what is the percentage of ozone in that sample consisting of both oxygen and O3 and O2. So ये question है. So first we need to find what is the weight, what is the molecular weight of that sample, or mass of the sample, molecular weight of sample. So on solving we get the answer as 33.32. So this is the molecular weight of sample, or I can say mean molar mass of sample, right? Because we can never have there are two or more gases in a mixture. Whatever molar weight we get of the mixture is also said as mean molar mass, and we know how to find a mean molar mass. It is nothing but the percentage. Suppose there are x, y, and z percentage of three gases. So the mean molar mass is nothing but x% x by 100 into the molecular weight of this gas mx plus y by 100 into my plus z by 100 into mz. This mx, my, mz are the molecular weights of x, y, z gases respectively, such that this x plus y plus z is 100, right? Because effectively ये तीनों मिला के होगा 100%. So it is, so this is the formula. So इसमें जैसे x and y है, so if you take one as x, second 100 minus x, right? Similarly if you take z is nothing but 100 minus x plus y, right? Because सीधी बात है, जो x और y है, so 100 में से बस 20% ये है, ये 40% है. So what is z? Remaining 100 minus 60, 20 plus 40, so it's 40%. So this is the same thing. So let us assume x% as hydrogen. Sorry, x% as oxygen. So let us take x% be, okay, we ozone layer, take ozone. So 100 minus is nothing but oxygen. So I'm confused what kar raha hu, I know. So let us let us solve what is given. So let percent of O3 be, okay, they have taken ozone ka this, or ozone or impure oxygen, ozone as x% in the sample, and remaining is 100 minus x, right, percent. So mean molar mass मिला है. So ये formula मैंने बताया था, this is mean molar mass, capital M है. So percentage of ozone, so x by 100 into molecular weight of ozone. So it is 16. Ozone has 3 atoms of oxygen, so एक atom का weight is 16, तो 3 का 48. So x by 100 into 48 plus 100 minus x, percentage of oxygen 32, right? So this is the percentage, x 100. So you see 100 common, so they have taken as common denominator 100. So this is the equation यहाँ से आया. I hope you guys understood this. So you can see this equation, one equation, one variable. I'm solving to get the value of x as 8.25, and x is what? The percentage of ozone. So we actually found the percentage of ozone, which comes out to be 8.25%. So the impure sample consists of 8.25% of ozone, and remaining is oxygen, which is 91.75%. So if the question says that what is the percentage purity of oxygen, then it is 91.75. So क्वेश्चन तो सेम रहेगा, बस ये लोग अलग अलग वे से पूछेंगे. मतलब the given whatever the given data will be same, but the required data will be different. Here they have asked the volume of ozone in ozonized sample, percentage of volume, right? So they also asked what is the percentage purity. So it is 91.75. So करना सेम वैसे ही है, right? फर्स्ट रेट का जो दिया है, रेशियो दिया है, उससे मॉलिक्यूलर वेट निकालो ऑफ गैस एंड जाने के बाद मीन मोलर मास, एंड मीन मोलर मास का फॉर्मूला जो है अप्लाई करो एंड जस्ट गेट द मोल फ्रैक्शन, और कैन से परसेंटेज ऑफ द mixture, how much percent ozone, how much percent oxygen, and then you can find the percentage purity by subtracting the percentage of oxygen by from 100. So 100 minus 8.25, which is ozone. So ये impure है इसलिए. So this causes impurity. So it is 91.75% pure oxygen. Okay, that is it. So hope you guys understood this video. I know I little bit थोड़ा मैंने confuse किया हो तो I'm sorry. But अब तक तो आई थिंक समझ गया रहेगा, आपस में समझाया मैंने. आई एक्सप्लेन्ड ऑल द स्टेप्स. सो होप यू आर नाउ क्लियर विद दिस कंसेप्ट. दैट्स ऑल स्टूडेंट्स. बाय.